Are the Mowalola Bratz dolls worth it? We're getting into all the details of these designer collab dolls right now. Hey Moody Bratz, welcome back to my world of miniatures and doll collecting. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad you finally gave into the urge to buy yourself some toys, or at least you're seriously considering it now because you deserve to enjoy your life. This video is all about the Bratz Mowalola drip gods. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but if it means that they're iconic, they definitely are. We're gonna get into all the details of everything these dolls come with today, and we're gonna decide, was it worth the original retail price of $60.99 USD? At the time of recording this video, they are no longer that price. They are discounted. So I'm so glad I trusted my anxiety and had to get this right when they came out. They originally debuted in December 2022, and I had to have them. So that was what I got for my winter holiday gifts that year. Thank you to my mom, my dad, and my brother. I thought they were gonna sell out right away and not restock. I was like, my anxiety couldn't take it. So at the time of recording this video, they are still currently available. This line includes Felicia and Jade. The Mowalola collab was the third designer collab that Bratz has come out with. They also had one with the streetwear brand GCDS that included Yasmin and Sasha. They also did a Cult Gaia collab that features Chloe and Yasmin. The GCDS girls only came with one outfit. The Cult Gaia girls came with two outfits, and the Moalola girls also came with two outfits. Each doll comes in a massive cardboard box that is printed with either red or green, depending on if you get Jade or Felicia. Each has their own color scheme, and each has their own stunning artwork. There is a beautiful portrait of the doll on the front of the plastic. The artwork is also featured on the side of the box.
This is them in their boxed glory. I know you can hardly see. The ring light glare is gnarly, so we're gonna take off the plastic. I just want to get into the artwork real quick before we take them out. Look how cute that is. Bratz box artwork is always so iconic. The outfit, the shoes, even the word Bratz, it's so cute how it matches the other details of the box. The yellow, it's such a vibe. Look how cute Felicia looks. And the name fonts. The packaging is really part of the experience when it comes to Bratz.
There is clear plastic packaging that slides off the front. I'm going to show you how to preserve the packaging so that you can also use it as a display, because these are really nice boxes and I don't want to just throw them away.
Here they are without the plastic covers. They're so beautiful. Before we get too into it, I just want a moment for the artwork on the side of the box. These baddies. It's very fierce. It's very big. I love that the second outfit comes with a mannequin, and the jacket has a real zipper on it. And the bag, I know we're gonna be able to fit so much in there. Her hair literally goes to almost the bottom of these huge platforms. The second outfit is a serve as well. I can't wait to get it on her. And the first outfit, I love mesh. I love the details. Like, look at the fabric. It looks so high quality. These designer dolls really, they are fire, honestly. Miss Felicia, her zipper is also a working zipper. I love that these four fits go together so well because, you know, that's so much of the fun of Bratz is the mixing and matching. Her too, hair as long as the heels. I can't wait to get them out of here so we can see them better. The way everything is displayed in the package just looks so pristine. And also I love that Felicia's box is giving Target. I'm gonna remove all of the plastic stays from the package and we will pose these girlies. Bratz is truly such a special brand. Like, the way that they come out with stuff like this, like, Barbie is not doing this. She a baddie and her baddie friend. I cut out the comb and then I started to try to take out the rest of the packaging, and I realized I think that this cardboard piece comes out, and so I wanted y'all to see that. So if you're trying to save the boxes to make a display out of yours, I think, yes. Okay, so we're gonna take her out like this, and then boom, we'll get all this out. When you're removing the plastic stays from the back, you want to make sure to actually remove the tape from them before you pull them through, because otherwise the tape can get pulled off of them as you pull it through, and like the tape will be sticking out through the other side. So make sure you pull the tape off so you don't have any hassles. probably goes without saying, but make sure you don't cut any of the actual strands of hair when you're cutting the hair off, or make sure you don't cut any of the fabric on the outfit. Don't do it in a rush. Take your time with it, because you probably paid a lot for this, or this was a nice gift, so you want to make sure that you don't like destroy it taking it out of the box. Wow, she has the biggest Bratz shoes I have ever held. Wow. Oh gosh, dolls just feel so good in your hand. Her hair is soft, but it does have some gel in the ends, and obviously there's gel in these spikes. I think I'm gonna rinse the gel out of the ends, but I'm gonna try to leave the spikes how they are. Oh my gosh, wow. Oh, she's so cool. I want to be her. I love the bangs and the highlights. I love the cuffs in the hair. And I just realized that she does not have earring holes. So that's interesting. Each doll does come with a certificate of authenticity. This is how the box looks once I've removed all the stays and the plastic ties and everything. It's so cool. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good as a display. Now it's Felicia's turn. These girls come in the biggest box ever of any of the Bratz I own. The close second is the Pride Bratz because it's a 2-pack, but these are so tall. They always do iconic boxes for the Bratz. It was also easy to get her out too, just removing the tape, cutting the stays, and she came right out. And here she is. Her hair definitely has more gel in it. I don't know, it doesn't feel as thick as Jade's either. The bangs are definitely Crunch City. She also does not have earring holes. But yes, the zipper does work. Ah, how cool. Love the thigh-high boot moment. The shoes, again, so huge. It's like almost the size of my palm. It's incredible. It's so iconic. Also, the top of the boot has a hem, but the bottom doesn't, so that it looks more flush. They are so pretty though. Oh my gosh. So let's go wash this gel out of their hair, and then we will do some posing of them. We'll try on their second outfits. We're here in the bathroom sink. I'm actually gonna start by getting these plastic stays out of their heads. Also, peep how much hair they gave Fifi in the back. Okay, so you've got the stay separated from all the hair, and then go in with some nail scissors that you only use for your dolls. Cut it down as low as you possibly can, and then use the end of the nail scissors to stick that into the head. Boom. Look at this. Jade has like yellow stains on her back from her yellow dress. So I guess I'll wash her body too. I'm gonna try to brush their hair while it's dry, except for Jade's cute little hairstyle at the top. I'm gonna try to preserve that. I feel like it would be smart to try to brush out the gel first. So we're gonna do that, and then wash it with Dawn dish soap. I'm gonna lather it twice with Dawn dish soap, and then we'll see how we're looking. I'm also combing the soap through their hair just to make sure it gets all the way through there since they have such long hair. I actually did 2 lathers of each. Actually, I ended up doing a third one on Felicia. Make sure you lather it thoroughly and then rinse it thoroughly. You really want to make sure you get all the soap out. And then for Jade, I'm just keeping the top and front of her hair out of the water. Welcome to the boil wash. It is the next day, so Jade's hair is dry. I feel like taking the gel out of her hair was maybe not the move because it really looks like sis cut her own bangs and they look, they don't look good. So we're gonna boil wash them. Hopefully that will fix it. If not, we're gonna get some gel out. Their shoes are on standby because I will be putting them in their shoes and standing them up to dry. I've added a cutting board to the setup because as I dunk them, I want to also be combing their hair out on the cutting board so that it really sets the style into long and pin straight. That is what we're going for here. Dunk and comb, and then I'm really hoping this fixes Felicia's hair. I'll be hanging her with her hair over the edge of a counter so that it can dry straight. So for Felicia, since I kind of wrecked her a little hairstyle, we're gonna pour the water from the kettle directly on the top of her head. It's not at a rolling boil. I turned it off and then I did Jade's hair and now I'm gonna pour it on hers. We'll see what that does. And we'll also be combing it after we put the hot water on it. I put these girls out to air dry here. I meant to leave them for like a day and I ended up leaving them for like a week. So now it's time to brush out this beautiful hair.
This is one of the most satisfying parts of washing a doll, when you get to see their beautiful, silky, shiny, clean hair after you wash it and comb it out. Unfortunately, Felicia's hair is still greasy, so I am giving her bubble braids. Bubble braids is one of my favorite easy go-to hairstyles for brats when their hair is greasy or it's kind of messy and you still want it to look cute, you want it to look done. The bubble braids are it. Just section the piece of hair into equal sections with little rubber bands. These are just standard little rubber bands. I think I got them at like CVS. And then once you're happy with the number of sections you have, you start pulling hair out so that you're making the puff balls puffier, essentially. Now, I did this on the other side a lot better. On this side, I put the rubber bands too close together and they got kind of like frizzy and messy. And on the other side, I spaced them out further apart to begin with, and that side did turn out a bit cleaner. I just didn't film that side. I absolutely love how the hairstyle turned out on her. It still looks very Y2K, it still looks high fashion, and it looks better than the hair just being stringy and greasy. Here's a group photo of the first outfits and the second outfits all modeled together. The second group of models is Magic Hair Sasha and Magic Hair Yasmin. These girls look so beautiful, and I will say that having the sunglasses on Felicia's bangs did make them pushed down more. I ended up not going in with the gel. I might in the future, but as long as she's wearing like sunglasses or something, she looks fine. The Felicia and the Jade that I got, both are in good condition with the exception of one of Felicia's arms. It's like weirdly loose, it doesn't quite sit right, but it's not the end of the world for me. It's not gonna make me not love these dolls. And if she's wearing a jacket, you can't tell. Felicia's first outfit is a patent leather red miniskirt with matching jacket, both featuring the Moalola M logo. Underneath, she's wearing a white patent leather halter top. It's almost like it's star-shaped. It has some sharp edges. Also, she's got her thigh-high boots, where the top part is fabric that goes up her legs, and the biggest platform shoes I've ever seen on a Bratz doll. These girls have the longest hair of any Bratz doll I've ever had, and they have the highest platform heels of any Bratz doll I've ever seen. Her second outfit is a black mesh maxi dress of sorts. It goes down to the ankles. It's mostly opaque with black splotches painted on it, and her sunglasses match, plus her big bundle bag matches her yellow boots. Jade's first outfit is similar to Felicia's second in that the dress is pretty much shaped the same, except for it has cutouts with patent leather red stars, and it is a yellow mesh. She also has yellow mesh underwear to go underneath. She also has a sock boot moment going on. Hers only come up to her calf. Then her second outfit jacket matches her purse really well, and the second outfit is a cute mini dress with white and gold in sort of a spiral design. Her glasses are huge red glasses that almost give off a superhero mask vibe. Here they are modeling each other's outfits and their own, because that is one of the really cool things about this duo. It's perfect for mixing and matching fashions. Each one looks great in every outfit. They both have really soft hair and beautiful faces with the little stars and hearts in their eyes and the gap tooth on the open mouth tooth mold. It's a new take on a classic favorite face mold. The alternative eyeliner is also perfection. Bratz really knows how to express the iconic fashion of the present day in 1/6 form. Like, no one else can do it like Bratz can do it. Overall, I think these two dolls are so fun. I love their fashions. The fact that they come with two outfits, I think makes it worth it, because you can mix and match their two outfits that they come with, or if you get both of them, mixing and matching between the two. Iconic. The fact that they come with second outfits is great too, because then you can create your own Mowalola core 4 like I did with Magic Hair Sasha and Magic Hair Yasmin. They are getting their full own dedicated video next week, so stay tuned for that. And also I'm going to be opening the Jimmy Paul Pride pack this summer, since Pride is right around the corner, and we're going to be putting together some little Pride looks for the other Bratz. It's going to be so fun. Each girl looks so good in each other's outfits. I'm so happy with these dolls. Like, Bratz does it again. There's also going to be some doll apartment crafts coming soon. I'm working on everything for that. Let me know in the comments which dolls looks you liked better, Jade or Felicia. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss any new videos. They drop every Wednesday here, but if you can't wait for that, I post on TikTok almost daily, and I post on Instagram stories every day. It's the same name across platforms, The Moody Bratz, but it's also listed below. And if you enjoy the show and you want to see more videos drop more frequently, you can support the show by donating at the link below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bratz artwork always looks amazing. Sometimes the artwork looks better than the dolls. But in this case, I think it's pretty even. They both look really good.